So the basic advantage of social media marketing that it increases the visibility of our product and services. It increases the credibility of our services. And after all, the customers, the potential customers are converted into our customers and followers, and then they help us to increase the sales. We can boost our sales by increasing high conversion rate. So actually, what is our target? We want to drive the traffic from our Facebook or Instagram or any other platform to the website so that they can buy our service or product and they can give us work. And then the ultimate target of everyone is to earn money, to generate the profit. So we can check through some platform that how is our performance going, and are we gaining the insights, or is it proper or not. And there are so many things that we need to check. What are the behaviors of the customers, what are the preference of our customers, what are the interest of our customer, through which we can make a campaign. So these all are the steps of social media marketing through which we can get new customers. So now, very important question: what are the top social media platform? Which platform should we use to attract the customers? Okay, one thing very important I need to tell you, that it also depends on the service and the product what we are offering, through which we understand and we target the audience, and then we can attract them through our campaigns. So Facebook is the giant of social media with over 2.8 billion monthly active users. Facebook remains the leading platform for social media marketing and engagement. Then Instagram, which is well known for visual storytelling at the best. So Instagram focus on visuals, make it ideal for targeting young audience with over 1 billion users. Then coming to LinkedIn, which is very good for professional networking. It is like professional networking powerhouse. LinkedIn is the go-to platform for B2B marketing, boasting over 700 million professionals and a focus of business related content. So if you want customers of elite class, like good customers, and B2B marketing, business to business marketing, if you want loyal customers, you should go for LinkedIn, whether you are hunting a client, whether you are looking for a job. Then coming to Twitter is real time engagement with its fast paced environment. X allows brands to engage with users in real time. So it is also good to interact with users and to show your online presence. Then coming to TikTok, which is also very famous, and it has gained popularity especially among young generation, offering unique platform for creative and engaging short video content. So sometimes we get a very good response in TikTok in some of the products. So these are some of the platform which we can use in social media marketing.